Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what this Geode Turtle can do in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The trader event has just dropped in Grow a Garden, and finally I could get this Geode Turtle from this event. I'm going to show you guys the trade rewards. Okay, you will have chance or possibility to get this Geode Turtle with only streak 1. Okay, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. And this is the ability, guys, the Geode Turtle. It can convert an advanced sprinkler into a Geode sprinkler, which applies Geode Mutation. So you need to put on the advanced sprinkler on your garden. Okay, and you can monitor it right here for the cooldown time. And you can put on your sprinkler if the cooldown time will be resetted. Okay, and I'm going to place my advanced sprinkler. Wait. Okay, this one. I'm going to place it here so the geode can apply it to the sprinkler. Okay, it's almost the cooldown time. Wait guys, and let me put 3 sprinklers so I will have more possibility or chance to get the Geode Mutation. Okay, it's ready, and let's see what will happen. Okay, one of my sprinkler has turned into a Geode sprinkler, which can apply the Geode Mutation. Okay guys, and that's all about the Geode Turtle and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new trader event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.